The helping hand soldering station comes very nicely packed. Instructions, magnifying glass and light, flexible arms with alligator clamps, feet, assembly tool, and the base plate. The feet screws go through the metal plate and attach to the flexible arms. The Allen key with Phillips screw head is used to tighten the screws. The light attaches through this hole in the base. The included wrench is used to tighten it. The light plugs into a standard USB-A phone power block, which is not provided. Power switch is on the cord and includes brightness level. The magnifying glass is really good for allowing you to see small wires close up. An advantage of having 4 clamps is it allows you to prep 2 sets of wires to solder at once. I look forward to using this universal soldering table on many upcoming projects.